Hi, guys and gals. Well, it's been a long, hard day at work. Let me tell you. I work for Lowe's full time, and well, we're in the middle of a whole store remodel, and there's nothing fun about a store remodel at Lowe's or any big store for that matter. However, what we'll have at the end of the remodel is well worth the journey. So that part will be rewarding when we get to the end. However, after this long day, I had a very bright spot. My favorite liquor guy, Mason, gave me a call and said, "Hey, I've got two bourbon barrels, Kentucky bourbon barrels for you. You want to come pick them up?" I said, "Amen. Yes, sir, brother. I'm on my way." One thing I've mentioned before, I want to tell y'all now, is in the state of Kentucky, most people don't realize this, but by law in the state of Kentucky, you can only use a barrel one time if you're going to tag your product as bourbon. If you use it more than once, you cannot call it bourbon. So these barrels live a hard life. They're rolled around, bang, nicked. The bourbon leaks, stains the wood. That's character. And character is what makes so many wood products that we make very, very special. Now, I use these bourbon barrels and I make all kinds of items for the kitchen, such as cutting boards, charcuterie boards, serving boards, cheese boards, serving trays, and the like. And I'm soon to be starting to make some bourbon barrel furniture. Oh, by the way, I also make bourbon barrel stave cake stands turned on the lathe. Now, isn't that special? Now, these barrels I've got for you today, many of you are going to look at them and say, "Oh, no." Remember, this is character. But I want you to stay tuned. And the reason I do is I want you to see the steps I go through and to see what we make out of that. I mentioned character, and you will see that in the products that we produce. These products are very unique and very special. And if you live here in Kentucky, you've got to have one of my bourbon barrel products. And you know which one you want by clicking the subscribe button on my YouTube channel so that you can stay tuned in to what we're going to be making. You can click the bell for notifications and you'll get notified every time we post a new video. But I'm not going to keep you any longer because we're about to show you the two barrels I've come up with today. And you'll soon be seeing the products that I'm going to make from these barrels. So click that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and stay tuned for what's coming. Just picked these two beauties up and got them home. Yeah, they look rough on the outside to you, but to me, nah, they're a thing of beauty. These are Kentucky bourbon barrels. Whoops, wrong way. This one is Woodford Reserve, and all of this is engraved, carved in with a CNC. It's not just a stamp or a burned in logo. I have something special planned for it. And what's really neat is this one has a brand new bung hole plug. Yes, you heard me, bung hole plug. And I'm saving these for a very special project. Now this other barrel, Knob Hill, from Jim Beam. or Knob Creek, I should say. Listen to me. But these have so much character. I'm gonna be making some furniture and some kitchen items, cutting boards, serving boards, charcuterie boards with these. And I also got today a new lead on a new place for me to get barrels on a more regular basis directly out of Louisville. So I'll be going picking up a trailer load of them at that time. But I wanted to share this with y'all. These are beautiful. I love them. They have so much character. I can't wait to show you what comes out of them. Have a wonderful day.